Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Race S, and I'll go over a simple unboxing of this smartwatch. So, opening it up, we do have a pull tab at the back. So here we have the watch itself. See if I can boot it up without needing to plug it in. We also have a magnetic charger and just paperwork, so I'm going to keep it in the box. Now in terms of the watch strap, it is a little bit harsh. It's not like super soft, but it feels firm, so it doesn't seem like something that will break easily. We also have, I don't know how you call these pins right here, but you do have a latch right here that you just get to pull on. I want to have it this way. Okay, that's one, and that's two. I think I put it the other way around. But in any case, that's basically the watch. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.